Good morning. We're here in the RISC-V Pavilion at the SiFive pod with Drew. Good morning, Drew.
Good morning, Rick.
Welcome to the Embedded World.
Thank you for having me. It's an incredible show.
Tell me about SiFive. What do you guys do?
SiFive is the world's leading provider of RISC-V-based processor IP.
So you're an IP company, a chip company, a tools company?
Yeah. So we also, in addition to providing RISC-V IP, we also provide custom ASIC solutions as well, based on RISC-V IP.
And I've heard you got this core generator that lets me develop a new core in the cloud. How does that work?
That's right. So it's a product called SiFive Core Designer. SiFive's methodology allows us to create many different variations of cores. So fundamentally, we create core generators. So this allows for a wide variation of cores based on the same pipeline with varying degrees of different ways to configure the core, so performance, area, so you can tune a certain pipeline to meet your specific application requirements. So in SiFive Core Designer, we tie all that configurability together with a nice, easy-to-use web interface.
And how many cores are in the market now that use that methodology?
Several, yeah. So we have a couple public customers. So Fadu is one of them. They're using our RISC-V core series, and they have a nice quote on the website that they were able to get 1/3 the power and 1/3 the area for the same performance with our cores versus competing IP. So these S5 cores that Fadu are making are going into disk drive controllers.
And are those parameters that are tuned in your core generator?
Absolutely.
Specifically for those kinds of targets?
Absolutely. So they actually took big time advantage of the configurability of our IP and specifically tuned their processors to meet their application.
So take me through the process a little bit. I use a core generator, I tune up the performance and target that I want, and then can I flash that into an FPGA board?
Absolutely.
And bring up an emulation environment? How long does that take?
Less than 30 minutes. So I'm actually giving a talk today. It's called From Configuring Your CPU to Hello World in 30 Minutes, where we do exactly that. So we start with the website and we configure the core for our specific parameters. Then we load that core into an FPGA, and SiFive software tool environment are ready to take advantage of those cores and actually get you to Hello World very fast.
Awesome. Yeah. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Rick.
Have a good show.
Thank you.
Thanks.